Some of the videos on this channel are really very practical and hands-on. Some of them are entertaining. This one is more of a theory-based video, so we're gonna find out what choruses are, what kinds of choruses are, and how we can possibly apply the choruses. And hopefully we'll broaden our songwriting vocabulary. By the way, I'm Vadusha and I'm the greatest expert in songwriting in the entire world, and maybe even on YouTube. So in songwriting, a chorus is a section of a song that appears multiple times repeatedly throughout a song. It's oftentimes considered the most memorable part of the song, melodically and lyrically. Choruses serve as the key focal point that helps convey the key message of the song. Structurally, it's normally separate from the verses, and you can always tell it's a chorus because it's more emotionally charged and it's repeated throughout the song. It usually also gives a hook, something that's easy to sing along to. It creates an impactful moment, often contrasted to the verses. If the verses are quiet, the choruses are louder. Sometimes there's quiet choruses contrasted to louder verses, like Kurt Cobain's. So let's review what kind of choruses there are, and I'll provide specific pop music examples. The first one is vocalized chorus. It uses melodic vocal sounds rather than words or lyrics. They are usually catchy and very easy to sing along to. Next type of choruses are one-word choruses. Hallelujah. And as you might have guessed from the name, it's a chorus when you sing one word through the entire chorus. Fire! In this case, we're concentrating meanings in one single word, making it very strong. It gives the entire song kind of an anthem-like quality. The next type of choruses is the non-rhyming shorter lines, which is just one line that doesn't rhyme, iterated repeatedly till you remember it and are able to sing along to it. And though it doesn't rhyme, it's still catchy, it's still memorable. The next type of choruses is probably the most common type of choruses. It's the concise and rhyme-driven one. Short lines, rhyming. Rhyming adds cohesion, rhyming glues the whole thing together. That probably is why it is the most common type of chorus. For the next type of choruses, I failed to find a name. These are basically the same as the previous type, but the lines are way longer. These are wordy, rhyme-driven choruses. Oftentimes, beginner songwriters write wordier choruses, but in case your verses have very short lines, it sometimes makes sense to make longer lines in choruses to contrast the chorus to the verse. If the chorus is contrasted to the verse, it hits harder. Next type of choruses is no choruses. Probably some songs do not need choruses at all. It ain't no lazy songwriting. When you're writing an album, you got like up to 20 songs that have to be different from one another. And if you write multiple albums, they have to be different from one another. So that's one way you can diversify the kinds of songs there are. So if one track has a chorus, the other one doesn't have a chorus, and they're different. And diversity is what we value. Hey, another kind of chorus is a tagline chorus. In such choruses, a certain part of it is repeated all throughout the chorus, a word or a line, and it creates an easily memorable and singable hook. And probably the last type of choruses is the evolutionary chorus. That's when the first chorus is a bit different from the second chorus and probably a bit different from the third chorus. Something evolves in these. Some pronouns may change. I am beautiful. You are beautiful. We are beautiful. Or some meanings can be different. So that's evolutionary choruses. You may be wondering, why in the world are we reviewing the whole theory behind the choruses? That's to ensure diversity. You can use any of these types and inject them in your own songs. If you have an album to write, make every chorus different. You'll have a set of different songs where not only the music itself is different, but the choruses are, both lyrically and structurally. By the way, thank you for watching the video till the very end without skipping any part of it. It helps the channel grow, it tells YouTube it's worth promoting the videos, and most importantly, it makes me happy. Please like the video if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have a heart. I really hope you found some of this information useful and you will implement that and write the best song ever, 'cause you're awesome. Yes, you are.